I cannot wait to run this at our next parking lot event. It's so cool that Losi came out with this. It seems like they're really stepping up their racing game and just getting more involved with everything. And I've already been happy with their little sprint car. Actually, I think this chassis is kind of based off that. We'll pull bodies off and we'll do a side-by-side with my sprint car. I did do a side-by-side picture of my sprint car put together with an next to it, so you can see it's definitely a little bit longer. And then I also did a side-by-side with my Traxxas Modified. And you can see it's a little bit smaller than Traxxas Modified. So definitely it'll be easier to carry around to the track, I know that. But let's take the body off and we'll take a look at this real quick. Now I like the way this body comes off. Just hit the little button on the air cleaner right here. Slides up and then slides right out. And there you go. You see all the bracing and all the plastic hardware under here. The driver figures right there. Pretty stiff body too. I'm actually impressed with that. And not light either, kind of heavy. But here's the chassis. I know it's got a 3300 kV motor in it, 45 amp ESC, do 2S. So, and I think the box claims 25 plus miles an hour, which was the same thing as the sprint car. But let me dig that chassis out real quick and we'll take a look at it. Well, it's kind of hard for me to get the space because of the size and everything else and the area I'm in. But chassis look pretty much identical other than the late model chassis longer. But same setups. Yeah, they're the same thing. They're just, this one's just stretched out a little longer. And definitely got the longer nose piece right here too. There's a foam on it. So that's gonna take a good hit. Yeah, those things gonna be a lot of fun at the track. And these tires, they feel very grippy. So we'll see how they do on the concrete. But we're gonna take this out. We'll do a speed run on it. See if it does what the box says, and we'll just try it out. And I'll get it ready that way I can start racing it. I think our races start back up sometime in September because concrete's just too hot right now here in Texas. So I think around September, maybe mid-September, we'll start racing again. But until then, let's go out and play with this thing, see what it does. All right, I got a fresh 2S battery, actually the one that came with it, so I got it in there because I got the RTR version. Make sure the modifier is picking up. See what that was. Okay, 25 miles an hour, just like the box said. So like I said, when I was doing the speed run, I got the RTR version. So this one came with the 2S battery, and it also came with batteries for remote too, which is the same remote that comes with the sprint car. I'm going to actually change that out though. I'm going to put that on my Fly Sky Noble NV4. So I'm going to put it on that, and then we'll be ready to go. I do plan on getting another body for it. So I'm going to clear body and probably paint it orange. And then these tires don't really do that well on concrete. But I did rob one of the wheels and tires off my sprint car. So these should fit right on here. If they do, I should be able to get 4 of this size, because the sprint car tires are narrow in the front. But these are wide in the front, so this should. Let's see, let's get on there. There we go. Awkward angle here. Yeah, that should work. They are, they're the same size. I think the offset maybe is a little bit different on the wheel, but either way it should work. I'm gonna have to find another wheel with different offset, but I think that's gonna do it right there. So I think those will work on the concrete, but I'll find out come September when we actually start racing these things, see what everybody's using or see what works for us. But anyway guys, I really hope y'all enjoyed the video, and until I get to race this, I'll see y'all then. So y'all be good and take care.